Thanks for tuning in. This is The Life of Miner, and let's check out week 81 of my mining payouts.
I know what I do and I know what I need.
Okay, so at the beginning of these payout videos, let's go over the date and time when I took these payouts. I took these payouts on November 8th of 2020, about 3:30 p.m. US Eastern time. So like previous weeks, I've been mining Ethereum, and I do average around 1.2 gigahashes mining Ethereum. I've been also mining Gridcoin, been averaging about 47 grafs per second. And last but not least, I've been mining Monero on my CPU, and I do average around 9 kilohashes. Okay, so now pulling up my Excel and checking out what I mined. I did mine around 0.5 Ethereum, equaling around $225.08, about 235.9 Gridcoin, equaling around $56.64, and about 0.04 Monero, equaling around $4.78. So if I did sell everything as of today, I would have made $286.50. And if you do want to check out my GPU count, I do have a total of 75 GPUs and 1 CPU. My GPUs are mining Ethereum and Gridcoin, and my CPU is mining Monero. And I do have 2 mining farms. Okay, so for this week's fun clip, this is bullish news on crypto, and I did add a bonus clip, so let's check this out.
Mike, you've been a big bull on cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and the like. I'm curious how you think the Fed, the role of the Fed going forward is going to be, given that there's probably going to be less efforts or ability to create massive stimulus. Therefore, does it fall onto the Fed? If it falls onto the Fed, is that ultimately good for your Bitcoin investment? How do you think through all of that?
What was so interesting watching all the markets last night, right? The bond markets sold off and then rallied, stocks. Cryptocurrency was bid the whole night. Bitcoin was 14,000, 13,700, 13,800. We're in a bull market in Bitcoin. The Fed is going to be continuing to print, right? The crypto world has an expression, the Fed goes brr, that printing press going on. And so, less fiscal, more Fed, good for crypto. I think there's a bigger story with crypto, right? We have crossed the Rubicon in its adoption. You're going to see every bank, every tech company getting involved. And so I think we're at the start of a really big bull market there.
But can I just ask one question about that, Mike, and not to take us off the election, but the idea that it turns into a currency, which I know people have talked about for a very long time, if it turns into a currency, people actually aren't going to be using it as an investment.
No, I don't think it's good. I don't think Bitcoin's going to turn into a currency. I think it's going to be digital gold, but I think you're going to have a whole bunch of stable coins, a Fed-backed or a Fed-sanctioned stable coin, which is going to change the whole payment rail of the US and the world. And as that architecture gets built, it just makes it easier and easier for people to access Bitcoin and Ethereum and the other cryptos.
Mike, you heard Christine Lagarde talking about how the ECB is considering a euro cryptocurrency. What would that do to Bitcoin? Does it hurt its prospects?
No, I don't think so. In the same way, a dollar crypto is not going to hurt Bitcoin. People are going to buy Bitcoin because they're worried about central banks printing too many money. It doesn't matter if they're printing digital dollars, digital euros, or fiat dollars or euros, right? It's really central bank, politicization, right? We're in an era now where the central banks and the Ministry of Finances or the Treasury Departments are acting as one. And that's a really dangerous era. So people want to have hard assets. And in the digital world, Bitcoin is the hard asset. And so I think we're moving there. You're going to have every central bank issuing a digital currency within the next 5 years. And so the excitement around this space, the excitement around our company and all the companies in the blockchain crypto space isn't just Bitcoin. It's literally building out this new architecture. And that's why you saw PayPal got involved. You're going to see Visa get involved. You mark my words.
Hey, Mike, before we let you go, you'd said you'd made some trades last night. They didn't go as planned. What were they, and what kind of trades are you thinking about making this morning?
Listen, if it was going to be a blue sweep, I thought the easiest trade was just selling a lot of long bonds, right? The idea that fiscal stimulus would be in abundance. I thought the 30-year would sell off pretty dramatically. Same thing with selling the dollar. And, today I think, you're going to see the yield curve flatten a little bit because of the lack of fiscal. The perception of a Republican Senate is going to be a little tougher than an all Democratic, ticket. And so, that was the major trade. You know, I think NASDAQ is going to outperform now, where if you had a Democratic Senate, they were going to go after the tech companies. The wealth controlled by those giant tech companies eats at the craw of a lot of the Democratic senators, I think. And you would have seen a much harder assault on that. And I think with the Republican Senate, you're not going to see that. And so you're seeing NASDAQ outperform dramatically this morning.
Right.
Last night was the exact opposite.
Mike, we appreciate you joining us this morning. We appreciate you wearing your hat for us this morning. And we hope to talk to you again very, very soon. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Bitcoin, please go to moon. Stop going sideways now. Don't ever say we going down to 1K, but Mr. Novogratz say we have bottomed out. Novogratz is bullish. Bottomed out. Don't ever rise is bearish.
Bearish target of 13 times though.
Novogratz is bullish.
Bitcoin could be at 40,000.
Let us go to moon.
Alright, so thanks for checking out this week's mining payout. Stay tuned for next week's as well. And shout out to this week's random comment winner. And if you didn't want to be featured, just write a comment below. And I do stream these payout videos live on Twitch at twitch.tv/thelifeofaminer every Sunday, 2:30 p.m. US Eastern Time. And if you did need any help, definitely get me on my Discord. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs if you enjoyed it, sub if you decided to see what's next. But of course, thanks for watching and always happy mining.
Thanks for watching The Life of a Miner. This is Gohan from Dragon Ball Z. You don't want me to get angry and turn Super Saiyan, so make sure you subscribe to The Life of a Miner. I'm also the narrator. Next time on The Life of a Miner.